morning, students. Today we learn about acute respiratory tract infection control program, IMNCI pneumonia. ARI control program, lower respiratory tract infection, mortality is less than 5 years. In developing countries, the cause is bacterial in 50 to 60%. Preschool human Haemophilus influenzae, pneumococci and staphylococci infections, they are sensitive to amoxicillin and cotrimoxazole, and death can be prevented. WHO criteria for all countries with infant mortality rate greater than 40 per 1000 live births. Criteria: rapid respiration with or without difficulty. Rapid respiration means 60 for less than 2 months, 50 for 2 to 12 months, and 40 greater than 1 to 5 years. Difficulty in respiration is lower chest indrawing. WHO classification for treatment of children aged 2 months to 5 years. You can see the signs and symptoms, classification, therapy, and where to treat. So the same thing is explained. How we have to treat the children. If they are less than 2 months, severe pneumonia, if any of the following, then we have to give IV ampicillin and gentamicin. You can see the signs and symptoms. So children 2 months to 5 years with the cough or difficult breathing, facilitate treatment decisions. You can follow the category, essential features and treatment category. The category you can see the essential features and the treatment category. IMNCI pneumonia, assessment of the sick children. The assessment procedure for 2 months to 5 years includes history taking and communicating with the caretaker about the child's problem. Checking for general danger signs, checking main symptoms, checking for malnutrition, checking for anemia, assessing the child's feeding, checking immunization status, and assessing other problems. Danger signs are the child is lethargic and unconscious, convulsions, inability to drink or breastfeed, and vomiting. If a child has one or more of these signs, she must be considered seriously and will almost always need a referral. Checking main symptoms after general danger signs. Check for the main symptoms: cough or difficult breathing, diarrhea and fever, ear problems. The first 3 symptoms often result in death. Ear problems main causes of childhood disability. A child with cough or difficult breathing may have pneumonia or another severe respiratory infection. Pneumonia, both bacteria and viruses, can cause pneumonia. In developing countries, often due to Streptococcus pneumonia and Haemophilus influenzae, children with bacterial pneumonia may die from hypoxia or sepsis. Identify almost all cases of pneumonia by checking for these 2 clinical signs: fast breathing and chest indrawing. When children develop pneumonia, their lungs become stiff, and the body's responses to stiff lungs and hypoxia, too little oxygen, is fast breathing. When the pneumonia becomes more severe, the lungs become even stiffer. Chest indrawing may develop. Chest indrawing is a sign of severe pneumonia. Clinical assessment, the 3 key clinical signs: respiratory rate, lower chest indrawing, and stridor, which indicates those with severe pneumonia who require hospital admission. Lower chest indrawing, wall indrawing, defined as the inward movement of the bony structure of the chest wall with inspiration, is a useful indicator of severe pneumonia.